Today we are going to learn how we can use Node version manager. So to install it on Windows, search for NVM Windows, open the first link shown, scroll down a bit and click on the download now button. Click on the NVM setup.exe file. It will start the download. After the download is complete, open the setup. Click on accept the agreement, next, and click on install. As I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. After the installation is complete, open command prompt. Make sure you open the command prompt as an administrator. The current Node version installed is 18.14.0 and the NVM version installed is 1.1.10, which is the latest stable release. We can use the installed node versions using NVM list. As you can see, 18.14 is being currently used and 16.19 is already installed as well. We can shift to another version using NVM use and the version number. As you can see, we are now using 16.19. These are the most simple steps you can use and shift to another version of Node. If you want to install another Node version, you can use NVM install and the version you want to install. It will get installed and it will be visible in the list. Thank you for watching my video.